One last shot on this. I forgot to turn it over. PUMA Prince on the bottom, PUMA Duke on the top. You can see that the Prince is a bit more massive. Bigger blade. And again, those scales are different style. They're really nice. Notice the curvature and the false edge on the Prince. And the writing is different. On the Prince, whoops, there we go. It says PUMA Prince. It says handmade in stainless. Notice the date code's not there because it's on the lock tang. So there you go. Now, if you look at an older Duke, some of the older Dukes have a wicked sharp drop and then a point on them. They're almost too pointy, really. This is actually more practical than newer ones. That the blade tip will be sturdier. There's more meat right in there. Like I said, the advantage I see with having that curvature, besides the look, which I really like, is that you want curvature for skinning and maybe doing some other things. But anyway, if you get a new Prince, it's going to look like this, but it may have a little bit more because it's a longer blade. And they don't make Emperors anymore, nor do they don't make the smallest one, the Lord, anymore. Okay, PUMA Prince, 98.